Okay, John here from Home Inspection Authority, and once again we're going to talk about my favorite subject, and that is skylights. What's the purpose of a skylight? To let light into the house through the roof. That creates a penetration in the roof. It needs to be sealed up properly. The skylight needs to be mounted properly, and so forth. Check this out. Nothing to see here. No issues here. This is not even screwed on. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. This is not even screwed on. So, as you can see, that's the wood frame. That's called a curb. So they actually, it looks like they built it correctly, and they drywalled the inside. But there's no seal. So, should be a caulking, a heavy caulking all the way around this, which will then translate into here and keep this thing nice and airtight. But it does help if you put screws in it. So you ask, where do we put the screws? Well, put this the other way. Should go this way here. Where do we put the screws? Right here. That's where you screw it down. There should be at least two screws, depending on the size, in each side. Some need 3 or 4. So forth. Get your home inspected. Give us a call.